So if you guys watched the last video, you guys know exactly where we're headed to. If not, welcome to a new video. You guys see me wearing the homies brand. Yes sir, never never. Anyways, we're going to Supercar Sunday Cars and Coffee to start off the vlog. And apparently it is Viper Day, so there should be a lot of Vipers today. We're gonna go check it out, see if it's popping with hella Vipers, and yeah, start off the vlog right. Dude, I was a little bummed out because I had hit up a guy. I was on Facebook Marketplace, but I wasn't on there for car parts. I was on there for lens. I was gonna buy a lens. It was a Sigma lens. So I was gonna buy a lens. It was a Sigma lens. It was a 10 by 18 millimeter. And me and the guy had confirmed, like, yo, I'll pick it up today. Whoop-de-whoop. He was in LA, but he lives out here, all that. And dude hit me up last night talking about, I don't know what he said. He said, oh, it was first come, first serve, bro. So sorry for the inconvenience. I sold it. I'm like, what kind of bullshit is that, bro? Me and you had a deal. Like, what the fuck? But yeah, bro, it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. I even offered to go pick it up yesterday. Like, I was like, dude, I'm down to pick it up today. It kind of bummed me out because I was doing my research on the lens and the lens looked really good. I would have just enhanced the vlogs a little bit, but yeah, bro, couldn't do that because he sold it. It is what it is. Maybe God didn't want me to buy a lens from that guy. I don't know. And I appreciate y'all for showing love on the last videos, couple of videos. Like, you guys been showing a lot of love and I appreciate it. I'm always gonna show my gratitude and appreciation towards you guys because without you guys, I wouldn't be making these videos and a lot of you guys would not be seeing them. So because of you guys, thank you. So we have arrived and look what we see right in front of me right here, bro. A Bayside Blue R34. Bro, come on. This thing is so clean. But watch, I'm gonna show you guys something next to this. This is also clean. You know we gotta see the Bayside Blue. But this right here, the C10, bro. The C10, you got me tripping, bro. This thing is mint, bro. This thing looks stock as F, but mint. Like, so clean. This cherry red. Look at the interior. Guys, I love me a clean truck. And the C10 right here, this one, beautiful. Like, the paint is immaculate on this thing. The chrome is chroming. This thing looks really nice. Like, you got the Bayside Blue, and right in front of it, you got an R35. And then next to it, you got my Supra. Wow. So clean. Oh, please don't point out the scratch lip, bro. Oh, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. It really pointed it out. Oh. It is Viper Day, so we're gonna walk away. We're gonna walk over there and check out the Vipers, see how it is, see what it's looking like. Cause I seen like a couple, bro. I saw one right now that drove by, but I missed it, but it was really clean. But why he have to do me like that and point out the scratch lip, bro? Damn. Crazy. He disrespecting me, bro. Damn, we got a black wing? See what I mean, bro? These guys got dealer plates. Where are y'all getting these dealer plates, huh? Hook me up, bruh. Hook me up. Yeah, this thing is sick. GT Blackwing. Dummy nice, bro. These things are really expensive now. Prices just keep going up and up on these. Beautiful. Then we got an RSR right here. Wide body. Dummy clean as well. Shit, look at those wheels, bro. Damn. They are deep as F. Really nice, though. I like them. Super clean. We got probably like 8 Vipers, maybe 10 right now. We got some like old gens right here. So like a couple of new ones over here. But look at this. We got an older gen Viper. I love this one, the blue and white, because that just gives it that old school vibe of how they used to look. And look, front end engine. This thing is massive. Big ass engine. Imagine fitting that in the Supra. Let's throw a SRT 10 in there real quick. Texas plates, I see you, sir, I see you. Then we got another one over here, white and red. Then we got a black and yellow one. I'm telling you, bro, there's a lot. Then we got a newer one on this side. It's crazy how much like the difference they changed. Old school, new school. Damn, thing's really nice. You got the chrome manifold. My fault, dog, my fault. This probably not even called a manifold. I probably got it wrong. I don't know. Talk to me. Let me know, guys. We got another one right here. So clean. ACR. Is this a real ACR? Shit, my fault, pimp. Rich. I smell so much money here. Damn, this one too, gray with the blue stripes. I also love this one. Like the old school color combos are just really nice. And then you got like a lime green with black. So you got a variety of Vipers, different personalities, you feel me? These things are sick. The color on this is really nice, it's different. That's why I like it. We got a white one. Sheesh. We got more back here too. We got two red ones over there. Another white and black one right here. Very nice. Then we got a gray one right here. Also really nice. These wheels too. On the chromes, GTS. Then we got this one without a big wing. Very nice with the bronze. Yeah, these things are so nice, bro. Let me have one, bro. Let me get one in my life real quick. You feel me? A couple more over here. We got a Corvette, some Chevelles. I think a Shelby over here. All right. But it is Viper Day, so they are like, you know, putting the Vipers front and center. It's really sick. You rarely see this many Vipers together, so the fact that they can get a couple of Vipers and like bring them all together here, it's pretty sick. This is real American muscle right here. America. SRT 10s though. America. Yeah. ACR. Also another ACR? Or are they just badging them and throwing stickers on them, huh? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Then we got an old school Shelby right here. And there's blue and white stripes. Very nice, very nice. Look, another C10 truck, but without the chrome front end. I think it's nice. Look at this thing, man. What the wide wheels? Man. I need me a truck, bro, but I want a C10 because I like the bench, you know, thing, right? The bench look, the old school. Damn, bro. One day, too, I'm going to have one of these. I'm going to do some crazy burnouts in that shit. This is a Mama Lona. I'm getting into the truck fields again, man. I want a truck again. Then we got a Camaro SS. Then we got this. I have no idea. Lucra? I have no idea what this is. But I like the color. It's like a green with the cream. I like the color. I just don't know what this is. Never seen this in my life. Like, look at that hood, bro. This shit is massive. I think it's almost like the Viper. Look at that Viper. They got a Lucra. Shit is wild, bro. Sick though. Sick to see. And got like that carpet with the brown leather. Oh, my quick release steering wheel. All right, big dog. I got a ZR1 here. Oh, shit. My fault, dog. We got the beadlocks too. Look at this. Damn. Literally a 01 right here in front of us. Dude, these things are expensive, but damn, they look mean. Shits are sick, I'm not even gonna lie. Look at this thing. Shit. This is also nice. I love the paint. Damn. That paint? Oh, shit. That's a really nice paint job. This GRC right here, very nice. I love how he even has a ski box on top. That white with the gold, that the gold rays. That white with gold hits. Makes me want a GRC, bro, really bad. This thing's so nice. I like him. And shout out to Johnny. Johnny just picked one up, and congratulations, Johnny. You're probably not even watching this video, but congratulations, bruh. We got an Audi over here. All right, just peeking over here. My fault, Pam. I need an R33 in my life. I love me an R34, but I also love me an R33. Damn, Supra back to back. All right, fool, I see you, dog. I see you, dog. And F that dude who pointed out my lip, man. He was like, he literally touched it, bro. Like, literally scarfed down and touched it. Oh, you probably saw that too, man. Fuck. Damn you guys with a good eye. Oh, and the R34 is dipping? Shit, my fault, Pam. This guy's dipping out of here. I want those BBSs. Damn, I want these seats. What the hell? The podiums, and they're like with blue seat cushioning. Oh man, I want these. Let me get these. Let me have those, bro. Let me buy those off you real quick. Well, I don't know about buy, but let me have them. Yeah, this thing is very nice. Sheesh. Brom, 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 brom. Check out the Huracan though. This is really nice. Sheesh. Check out this baller SF90, bro. With the red guts. The seats is like a red Alcantara as well. Man, everything fully red guts. Yeah, this thing's clean. Sheesh. It's perfect for this weather too, because it's hot. I just realized it's a gated V10, bro. And this is like a little of an older model, but dude, the fact that it is gated, is a plus. Got the V10 in the back, poking, peeking, you feel me? So sick. This thing is so clean. This is probably like a $120,000 car. Probably more just because it's gated. This thing is really sick. I like it. I mess with it, bruh. The new gens are very sick too, but like to come across an older gen and it's a V10 and it's gated, pretty rare, bro. Pretty rare. At least in my opinion. I rarely see these. So clean. Damn. Low-key is pretty crazy to see the differences of how times change. Like we got like an older gen Supra here and the Mark V Supra here. Old school, new school. When the Supra had the pop-up headlights and now it doesn't, it's kind of crazy, bro. He even got the Momo seats. Yeah, or covers. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Like, look how throwback the Supra used to look. Before the MK4s, before all that, man, this thing is sick. Like the rear just looks completely different now. It's insane how like times changed and it's thick, which is also sick. But damn, you rarely get to see this. Well, not rarely, but this is sick to see. Parked next to me. I see you, dog. I see you, dog. It's crazy because the cluster almost kind of looks the same. Like, not the cluster itself, but the way it like pokes up like that. Pretty sick to see. All right, guys, I don't know if I made a good mistake or a bad mistake, but I have my girlfriend driving my Supra. Why? Because she really wanted to drive it, so we're gonna let her drive it. It gives me some chance to like at least see my car driving and I get to film it at least, so. All right, man, I am just nervous. Oh my gosh, there's a cop. Don't rip. There's a whole ass cop right there, bro. What is wrong with you? Oh my gosh. She might get pulled over, if I'm being honest. She might get pulled over. My car does look sick though driving, not gonna lie. I can't believe she did that, bro. What is wrong with this damn girl, dude? Bro, what? Oh my god, bro. Oh my gosh, thankfully that cop left the other way, but dude, what the hell? This is the first time I get to see my car driving, bro. Can't believe this, bro. Damn, my car looks so cool. I'm dead as fuck. What is wrong with you, bro? She's having too much fun, bro. Is that how I look rolling? Oh, she breaks my lip here, bro. Oh, she's buying me a new lip. You're gonna buy me a new lip here? Please break it. Yeah, that's what I thought.
I hate a bitch that's hating on a bitch and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas and they both broke. If you ain't coming for no chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like he entitled cause he knew me since a kid.